Hello and welcome once again. It's an honor to have you here. Ugears mechanical models, model safe. Assemble me, bank on me. Bought this on Amazon from Amazon Germany, so it was no problem shipping to Sweden. First I thought like, yeah, maybe it's gonna be like a couple of minutes to assemble this, but hey, this might take a day, a week, I don't know. It's made in Ukraine. It feels like a place you make these things would be in Ukraine. I don't know why. Smell. I don't have to build this one. Like, it doesn't have to be ready. I can just smell it all day. Reminds me of middle school with woodworking classes you had there. Okay, so before we go here, we're gonna check it out what this is all about. So, stuff that you can press out. Hey, $sign. My $3 that I have saved up the last 20 years. Hey, what? That seems pretty. Maybe I should pick, maybe I want to pick my teeth. I might want to pick my teeth later. I don't know. That was very nice of them. Oh, damn, there's a whole bunch of toothpicks. So, okay, gonna push them into these small holes. I used to assume that's the case. I won't be the favorite best. Sandpaper, grit paper, rubber bands, yeah, 3 rubber bands. I saw one of these were a rubber band gun. I don't know why, but I was very close on buying one. Alright, so these ones seems pretty advanced. This is gonna be pretty advanced, I think, to build. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I've never built anything like this. I'm having a good time. So let's just, yep, no problem. Oh, the smell. I love the smell of this. And it's like, it's no dust or anything. How did they even cut this? Like with laser, obviously, but it's really, really precise. Alright, let's get to business then. So I have this thing done. Now we're gonna get into some deep shit. So this is the lock. We're gonna make a lock thing in wood. As you can see, it's sort of many steps with the gears and everything. There's like 478 steps here. These two. We're gonna start. Oh man, this was really detailed here because they're it's so detailed, it's crazy. You wouldn't even believe it if you didn't see it. The struggle is real here though. I have to be really careful with these toothpicks that's gonna stick this thing together, because I have to put on quite some pressure here. Sätter nu. Så. Harambe, sipping on some Bombay, smoking the strong, eh? I love Elon Musk for doing that song. Back to this. So this is the locking mechanism that I have assembled, as you have seen in my time lapse. I should have shown this before I put on the dollar sign. I think you can see them here, the rotating blades here. And so, here we are. Finally done. Maybe, I don't know, 6 hours, 4 hours? Let's say 5 hours. 5 hours later, and we're here. I accidentally locked it earlier. I didn't mean to do it, so I'll just hope that this will work now. It's been really fun building it. And it's been crazy because I don't understand why would they make a thing like this. But here I am building it, so I guess they succeeded. It's been a lot of fun. Let's see if we can open it up here. So the lock is 3, 2, 1. So I'm gonna pull it in. I've turned it clockwise 2 times before starting. So I'm gonna go to the 3. Yeah, there I heard something. Okay, so and then I turn it to there's another. You can almost hear it when you do it. So I understand why you do it in the movies. Then I'm gonna go to 2. Here's a bit of that. You can do a bit of that. There you go. And then I'm gonna turn it one more time until not clockwise, anti-clockwise to 1. Let's see if it pops open here. Hopefully it does. Hell yeah! Woo! Come on, mate. So I'm just pressing it down here a bit. And voila! So we can see the mechanism I was building here earlier. There's 3 discs that can hatch or sort of like, I don't know if you can see it here. Yeah, there you can see it. So when all these discs are aligned, that wooden thing there will automatically shut in. And when that happens, this pin right here, because this is the lock, it's standing like this when the discs aren't aligned, and when they are aligned, they are possible to do like this, and then the vault open. Yeah, I forgot to say, you probably saw me using this a couple of times during the video. This is spray wax, so this is a good thing, great thing to have to make the materials run more smooth. So here I can put some stuff like ice cream. I almost forgot, there's like a coin, supposed to be like a coin thing here. I think I'm just gonna bash this one in. Yeah, there you go. And I can drop all the money that I have, which is this much. So I can put all my savings in here. It was a long time ago, I just made something from a model using a drawing or a blueprint and just building it together. It was amazing that these pieces actually fit because it's so tight sometimes when you do those things, like especially the gears here, and how it's amazing that it actually works even though it's a simple design with the discs. Okay, so this was the Ugears vault or safe video, unbox, build, name it, call it whatever you want. It was fun making. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel for more stuff. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.